Hello there, and welcome to this particular English comprehension exercise called A Storm is Brewing. So let's read this together. Dale was in the garden playing fetch with Patch, a tiny brown and white puppy they had brought home only 3 days before. Quite unexpectedly, Dale heard a loud rumble and saw, from the corner of his eye, flashes of light in the sky. "What is happening?" muttered Dale. Suddenly, Dale heard Mum shouting from the kitchen. "Get inside quickly, Dale," she yelled with urgency in her voice. This worried Dale, so he swiftly ran towards the house. Unsure what to make of the situation, Patch sauntered after him, stopping occasionally to shake the rain from his fur. "Mum, why is the sky making strange noises, and what are all those lights?" asked Dale. "It is thunder and lightning, Dale," explained Mum. Okay, so you've got a small comprehension exercise there. You've got various questions based on comprehension, spelling, punctuations, and grammar that you've got to answer. 5 questions in total, so it's a short test. So try your best, read this particular extract again, and answer the following questions. We'll review these in our next class. Good luck.